whispers clear. Wolves are proud, they move like shadows. Lions roar loud, king of the meadows. In this jungle, survival's the key. Me a lion, you a wolf, but me see you and me. Respect in this struggle, we both set the tone. In a world of chaos, we never walk alone. Wolves and lions fighting for life, fearless and strong through the struggle and strife. Devotion to the hustle, we are push and we fight. In the heart of the jungle, we shine so bright. Wolves and lions fighting for life, fearless and strong through the struggle and strife. Devotion to the hustle, we are push and we fight. In the heart of the jungle, we shine so bright. Through the trees, you are king in the sun, moving with ease. We share the same spirit, a fire in our chest, facing hard times, but we never know rest. We own the word in our every decision, with strength in our heart, I follow my vision. In the herd we are wander side by side, through the struggles and triumphs, we take it in stride. Wolves and lions fighting for life, fearless and strong through the struggle and strife. Devotion to the hustle, we are push and we fight. In the heart of the jungle, we shine so bright. Wolves and lions fighting for life, fearless and strong through the struggle and strife. Devotion to the hustle, we are push and we fight. In the heart of the jungle, we shine so bright. From the shadows to the light, we rise up together through the storm and the rain. We tougher than leather, grateful for the journey, motivated by truth. In this dance of survival, we reclaim our youth. Major are the lessons, energetic the vibe. Wolves and lions unite, in our strength we thrive. Wolves and lions fighting for life, fearless and strong through the struggle and strife. Devotion to the hustle, we are push and we fight. In the heart of the jungle, we shine so bright. Wolves and lions fighting for life, fearless and strong through the struggle and strife. Devotion to the hustle, we are push and we fight. In the heart of the jungle, we shine so bright. So when the night falls and the stars shine clear, remember this story, hold it near and dear. Wolves and lions in a unity we stand, together we conquer, hand in hand. In the wild we are roam, fierce and free. Wolves and lions, one family, you and me.